Children, good morning, all of you. Today for class 10, ICSE, CBSE, and West Bengal Board also. Mensuration on combination of solid, part 4B. That means you have already got two lessons. You must go through that lesson. Now, please pay your attention on the board. Sums given from ML Agarwal's book exercise 17.4, sum number 11. Sum you will get in your book, and here also it is written clearly. An exhibition tent is in the form of a cylinder surmounted by a cone. Here diagram I have drawn for the sake of explanation. You may draw or may not. That will not be a factor. Now pay your attention on the solution. Here the height of the tent that is given 85 meter. Here to here. The height of the cylindrical part that is here to here. Cylindrical part 50. And the diameter of the base 168 meter. Diameter 168, therefore radius 168 by 2, that is 84 meter. And the height of the cone, this is the conical shape cone, is surmounted on the cylinder. So total height that is 85, cylindrical height that is 50. So 85 minus 50, that is 35 meter is the height of the cone. Now we have to find out the required canvas to make the tent. Therefore, we have to find out the surface area of cylindrical part and conical part. Now, the surface area of the cylindrical part, that is this curved surface 2 pi RH. This is the formula. After writing the formula, we have to put the relevant values. Value of pi, that is 22 by 7, r, that is 84 meter, and height that is given 50 meter square. I have, after cancellation, I did multiplication for the sake of easier calculation. You may also follow this method. Now we have to find out the curved surface of the cone, that is slant surface of the cone. That means to get the slant surface, we have to find out the slant height. Therefore, the slant height of the cone L equal to, this is the formula, root over r square plus h square, r 84 and h 35. This calculation, root over 7056 and 1225, this you have to do attentively. Most of you are doing wrong in calculation. So, you must do in rough. Right side of the pair, you must show your rough. Then by addition we are getting root over 82, 81, and we have to find out the square root. 91 into 91, that is 91 square, root over, root and square will be eliminated, then it will be 91. By division method, you should know the square root, and this square root you have to show right side of the pair. Mentally it is not possible. I have not shown in the right side, but you have to show. Therefore, the surface area of the cone pi r L, value of pi that is 22 by 7, r 84, and slant height we have got 91. After putting, we are getting the result of the surface area of cone. I didn't do the multiplication for the sake of calculation. Now the total surface area, that is cylindrical part and conical part. That is cylindrical part, that is this, and conical part this, that is this plus this meter square. Now we are taking common 22 and 12, 22 and 12. After taking common, then 2 into 50, that is 100, and here is 91. So this is easier for calculation. Now 22 into 12, that is 264, and by adding this we are getting 191. And this multiplication certainly you have to do in rough. It is not possible do in mentally. Understand? In right side of the pair, আমাদের রাফটা দেখাতে হবে। রাফটা যদি না দেখাও তাহলে কিন্তু মার্কস কেটে যাবে। এটা কখনোই মেন্টালি করা যাবে না। আমি এখানে করে রেজাল্টটা লিখে দিয়েছি, কিন্তু তোমরা এরকম করবে না, মাল্টিপ্লিকেশনটা দেখাতে হবেই। এবার এগেন দ্য রিকোয়ার্ড ক্যানভাস ফর ফোল্ডস অ্যান্ড স্টিচিং। ফোল্ডস অ্যান্ড স্টিচিং এর জন্য 20% extra canvas লাগছে, the 20%, this is why 20 by 100, and this is the total canvas. By calculation it is coming 10084.8 meters square. Now we have to find out the total quantity of the canvas. Therefore the quantity of canvas required to make the tent, that is for surface area, and this is for folding and stitching. By adding we are getting 6050.8 meters square. Answer here is given to the nearest meter. It is 0.8, so more than 5, so it will be 9. So 60509 meters square, that is nearest meter square. Therefore the required quantity of the canvas is 60509 meters square. Sum is very simple, but calculation you have to do attentively. Okay, thank you everybody.